What is up, guys? Nanababo kabalen, kumusta kayo? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Unbaked. First time po namin makareceive ng mga ready to bake goodies. So let me just show them to you quickly before we go downstairs. And we're gonna bake today, guys. For the first time, I'm baking. So this one is Oatmeal Raisin, and cookies and cream. There you go. Chocolate cheesecake. I'm excited because for the first time, I'm gonna be using our baking oven as additional reference. So meron po silang pinadala sa amin na it's like a booklet, no? Ready to bake gourmet dough. Wow. Hats off for the effort and marketing materials. So we have 2 more boxes. Sabi po ng owner kanina, as a reference, as a guide, this is how they look like supposedly kapag natapos yung baking natin. This is how they look like. Check it out. Anyway, so more BRolls in a while. So samahan niyo po ako. Bababa tayo. We're gonna bake them. Let's go! Ayun nga, guys, no? So since frozen yung mga cookie dough natin, kailangan muna natin lusawin yung yelo. So ito-throw natin sila. So there you have it, guys. That was an amazing baking experience. Although ready to bake yung mga dough natin, still baking is fairly new to me. So, there was an excitement and happiness while I was doing it. So, guys, if you're interested to, buy from Unbaked, or if you like the food and the experience you saw in this video, please give this video a like, a thumbs up, or share it with your friends. Any reaction coming from you guys will be highly appreciated. And let's try this. Let's bake from home and enjoy these amazing cookies. Thanks so much for watching Where in Pampanga. I hope to see you on the next one. Peace out. Bye.